Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to sign up for Venmo fast. First of all, download Venmo from the App Store and then open it and then tap sign up. Next, enter your phone number, email, and then type the verification code. It will either, if you have typed in your email, it will show up in your Gmail app. If you don't see it here, then click on the three-line option on the top left corner, scroll down and click check your spam. If it's not there, also check your trash, it might also be there. Sometimes glitches happen. And then for phone number, check your SMS. If it's not there, also go to your WhatsApp and then check it there, it might be there. After you get your code, then just fill the verification code in the page, then add your name and create a password, link your bank, and safety tip: only use a real account, accurate bank info, do not use fake ones. Quick fix: try email sign up if phone isn't working, and if phone is working and email is not, try it with phone. And that's it. Subscribe for more tips.